Did you know that 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Many people think the reason is low income, but that's not the full story. The real problem is how we think about money. Most people believe that saving money means cutting back, sacrificing, and living cheaply. But the truth is, rich people don't save this way. They don't just save for emergencies, they save to grow their wealth. They use their savings as a tool to build financial freedom. This video will show you how savers become rich, not by skipping coffee or living like a miser, but by using smart strategies that work today. If you're ready to stop worrying about money and start making it work for you, keep watching. Number 1. The myth of saving your way to wealth. Many people believe that if they just save a little money every month, they will eventually become rich. But this idea is misleading. Traditional advice tells us to save 10% of our income and let it grow over time. The problem is, with rising inflation, low interest rates, and the increasing cost of living, money sitting in a regular savings account loses value every year. Simply putting money aside isn't enough to build wealth. Rich people don't save just for the sake of saving. They don't focus on cutting expenses endlessly or living in extreme frugality. Instead, they save with a purpose: to put their money in places where it can grow. A person who saves $500 a month and invests it wisely can turn that into $1 million over time, while someone who saves the same amount in a low-interest account will barely keep up with inflation. The key difference is that wealthy savers think of money as a tool, not something to hoard. They make sure every dollar has a job, whether it's growing in investments, generating passive income, or securing better financial opportunities. Saving is important, but how you save determines whether you stay comfortable or truly build wealth. Number 2. The mindset shift from scarcity to strategic saving. Most people see saving money as a sacrifice. They think it means giving up the things they enjoy, like eating out, traveling, or buying nice things. This mindset makes saving feel painful, which is why so many people struggle to do it consistently. But rich savers don't think this way. They don't see saving as cutting back. They see it as building a better future. Instead of focusing on what they can't spend, wealthy savers focus on where their money goes. They don't just put money away in a savings account and forget about it. They make sure their savings are working for them, earning returns, and creating opportunities. They also make saving a priority. Instead of saving what's left after spending, they pay themselves first, often putting aside 30 to 50% of their income before spending on anything else. A big part of this shift is understanding that every dollar is a tool, not something to just sit in a bank. The wealthy treat their money like employees. It should always be working to generate more wealth. Whether it's going into investments, building a business, or generating passive income, their savings have a purpose. This mindset change is what separates those who struggle financially from those who build wealth. Instead of seeing saving as deprivation, start thinking of it as funding your freedom. When you save with strategy and intention, you're not just holding on to money, you're creating a future where money works for you, not the other way around. Number 3. Hidden savings tactics the wealthy use. Most people think saving money means cutting out small pleasures like coffee or buying cheaper products. But wealthy savers don't focus on small sacrifices. Instead, they use smart strategies that allow them to save more without feeling like they're missing out. One of their biggest secrets is delaying big purchases. Instead of buying something the moment they want it, they wait at least 90 days. This gives them time to decide if they really need it. More often than not, they lose interest and save the money instead. Another powerful tactic is buying high-quality secondhand items. The wealthy know that certain things, like cars, furniture, and luxury goods, lose value fast when bought brand new. By purchasing them secondhand, they save thousands while still enjoying quality. Some even resell these items later for a profit, turning their savings into extra income. Technology also plays a big role. Smart savers use AI-powered apps to track their spending, cancel and use subscriptions, and negotiate lower bills automatically. Some even use high-interest savings accounts or digital assets like stablecoins to earn better returns on their stored money. The key difference is that wealthy people don't just focus on spending less, they focus on spending smarter. By making small but strategic decisions, they save more money over time without feeling restricted. These hidden tactics help them grow their wealth without giving up the things they love, making saving feel effortless instead of stressful. Number 4. Where the rich save money, and how you can too. Most people save money by putting it into a regular savings account, but the wealthy know that this is not the best place to grow their money. Traditional savings accounts often pay very little interest, meaning that over time, inflation eats away at their value. That's why rich people don't just save money. They park it in places where it can grow. One of the best places they store their money is in high-yield savings accounts, which offer much better interest rates than regular banks. Some of these accounts, like Apple Savings or Wealthfront, offer over 5% interest, helping their money grow faster. Instead of letting cash sit idle, they also use treasury bonds, which are paying more than 5% in 2025. These are low risk and backed by the government, making them a safe way to protect savings while earning more. Wealthy savers also take advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s and Roth IRAs. By putting money here, they not only save for the future, but also reduce their taxes today. Many employers even match 401(k) contributions, which is like getting free money just for saving. Some go even further by investing in real estate syndicates or dividend-paying stocks. Instead of just keeping cash in a bank, they put their savings into assets that generate income. This means their money isn't just sitting, it's working to create more wealth. The secret is not just saving, but knowing where to save. By choosing high-interest, tax-advantaged, and income-generating options, the wealthy make sure that every dollar they save is growing. Anyone can do the same by being more intentional about where they store their money and making sure it earns the highest returns possible. Number 5. Saving for passive income, the richest form of savings. Most people save money just to have it sitting in a bank, but the wealthy think differently. They don't just save for emergencies or big purchases, they save in a way that creates passive income. This means their money keeps growing and making more money, even while they sleep. One way they do this is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. Instead of just saving cash, they buy stocks in companies that pay them a portion of their profits every few months. Over time, these small payments add up, and many wealthy savers reinvest them to grow their earnings even faster. Another smart way to save for passive income is real estate investing. Instead of just keeping money in a savings account, some buy rental properties or invest in platforms like Fundrise or Arrived Homes. These allow people to own small parts of real estate and earn rental income without having to manage properties themselves. Some also use their savings to build small automated businesses. This could be as simple as buying vending machines, renting out storage spaces, or creating digital products that sell online. The goal is to use savings to create cash flow, not just let it sit. By shifting from just saving to saving for income, wealthy people make sure their money is always working for them. Anyone can start doing this, even with a small amount. The key is to look for ways to turn savings into investments that generate regular, effortless income over time. Number 6. How to build a rich savers system. Saving money doesn't have to be difficult or feel like a sacrifice. Wealthy people don't rely on strict budgets or constantly track every dollar. Instead, they create a system that makes saving automatic and effortless. One of the best ways to do this is by automating savings. Instead of trying to save whatever is left at the end of the month, rich savers set up automatic transfers that move money into their savings and investment accounts as soon as they get paid. This way, saving happens first before they have a chance to spend it. Some even save small amounts every week instead of once a month because smaller amounts are easier to manage and add up faster over time. Wealthy people also divide their savings into different buckets. Instead of keeping everything in one account, they separate money based on its purpose. They might have one account for emergencies, another for long-term investments, and another for opportunities like real estate or stocks. This helps them stay organized and makes it easier to grow wealth. To make saving fun, some people gamify the process by setting small challenges, like saving an extra $10 every time they skip a takeout meal or rewarding themselves with a free treat when they hit a savings goal. The key is to remove the stress from saving. By automating, organizing, and making it enjoyable, anyone can build a system that grows their money without even thinking about it. Over time, these small habits turn into real wealth. Saving money is not just about cutting expenses or putting cash in the bank. It's about building a system that makes your money work for you. Wealthy people don't just save, they save with purpose. They put their money in smart places, so it grows over time. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.